Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, ik heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to style a bandana like Eminem. Drum rolls! Yes, I hope you can feel the energy because I'm ready for this. So make sure that you do watch the video to the very end so that you do not miss out on any tip. Okay, and as we dive into that, all I would like you to do is just like this video. You can talk to me in the comment section, and if you've not yet subscribed, I do not know what you're waiting for. So just subscribe so that you do not miss out on any updates. Okay, I hope you subscribed. It's free to subscribe. You have not yet, so all you need is an energy like mine. But if you do not have the energy, we are going to use mine. Okay, so the other thing that you need is a bandana and something to hold your hair, which is not a must, and maybe a flat surface, which is also not a must, because you see I don't have a flat surface right here, but I'll be showing you how you can do it even without the flat surface. Okay, and the other thing that you need, what else do we need? Oh, you need to know that you can do this style in two different ways, and I'm going to be showing you both ways. And so as I said in the beginning, watch the very end so that you do not miss out on any tip, and then you can choose which one is the best for you. Okay, so on this side is where my mirror is at, and yep, we're going to start off by holding your hair towards the back. If you have lots of hair, you can just hold it towards the back, or just say that you want your hair to lie right there during the entire style. Yes, but I'll be showing you an easier way. So just hold the hair first. So I'm just holding the entire hair towards, from the back here, absolutely not at the center or towards the top, at the back kabisa, completely. So this is what I'm using to hold it, because I don't think I have a band. This is just a simple clip, just to make sure that it doesn't disturb Mia, Marokia, Cocaina, Criminal, Mafia. It's been a minute without listening to that song, so I guess that's why it's playing the lyrics in my head. So the next thing is, hope you've held your hair towards the back. That's how I held mine. The next thing is, now you pick your bandana. It doesn't matter the color of your bandana, although in most cases we see that Eminem has the white, red. Is it also black? Tell me in the comment section how many times. Oh, most of the times it's white. Yeah, tell me in the comment section which color of bandana you are using. I'll be really happy if I saw you. Tell me that in the comment section or through my socials. So the next thing you do is pick your bandana like this. Make sure that the inner side is facing towards the front. And how do you recognize the inner side? The inner side is the side in which the sewing is being seen. Okay, the side in which the sewing is being seen. And so if you're placing it on a flat surface, I told you I'll be giving you all the tips, whether you're using a flat surface or just on air. Is it in air or air? So if you're placing it on the flat surface like this, the inner part will be facing towards the top. The inner part will be facing towards the top. So after that simple step, the next thing is you rotate it like this to form a star, or is it a diamond, to form something like a star. It is like this. We just rotate it to form something like a anyways, so that's how you do it. You just rotate it like that to have something like this. Amazing, right? But if you're still just doing it on the flat surface like this, you do not really have to rotate it. But if it makes you happy, just rotate it. Remember, what makes you happy makes me happy, because you make me happy. So with it like this in form of a star, it depends on the amount of hair that you have. If you have lots and lots and lots of hair, you'll have to do just a simple fold. But if you do not have so much hair, or maybe you're bald, I have seen people commenting in the comment section in some of my previous video, like, yeah, the good thing about having a bald head is that you can rock that style so easily. So whichever way you are, I got you covered. So with it like this, like our star, it's time to take this tip and then fold it. You take one tip and then take it towards the bottom like that. So if you're completely bald, you can actually make sure that this tip touches this tip. Make sure that this tip, the top tip, touches the lower tip like that. Remember, if you're placing it on a flat surface like this, you just take that tip and then to this one. Let it, we call it crisscross. Yeah, I hope that is it. Hoffentlich. So that tip touches that other tip like that. It's like that, ta. Why am I in such a happy mode? I guess because my ex is now me. Anyways, so with it like this, you form something that is like that of a triangle. So you see, the next thing will be just to be placing it on our head. Remember, adjusting it. If you have lots of hair, you do not let it touch this tip, so just reduce it while folding it like this. Just let it reach to like the center part like that, like that Ruben, right there. Okay, I hope we are together. And if you're together up to this point, please just like the video. It's free to like the video. You can talk to me in the comment section. You can also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out any updates. Okay, you can also check my other videos after this one. Okay, yeah. So with it like this, remember we have this inner side and this side. This side is the one that will be onto your head. So, ta-da! You can see how I'm placing it. Yeah, and right there. Front view, like that. And then pull it. Don't shy away from pulling it. Pull it to the front, up to your eyebrows. So the next thing is, I told you there are two ways in which you can do this. I want to show you the first way. Let's try it out together, whereby you push this one inside. The second one, I think it's much easier, but let's have a look at this one. So you just push it in like this. You see, it will fold itself automatically. You see, this hand, I don't know if you're right-handed or left-handed. If you're right-handed, you take that right hand and then place it right here, and then this one you take it like that. You see, and onto this side, let it be held a little bit by your hairs. If you have hairs, if you do not, you can tuck it in your shirt or something. So this other side, the same way, you place. Now that you turn your hand, you change your hand. If you're using the right, now you're using the left onto the head like that, like that. So, and then you see the way I'm doing. I don't know. It may seem easy for me, but it may not be easy for you. So you just, if you hold and then you just bring this other side towards this side, it will fold it like that. So remember, we had done the same on to this side. So you just make a knot. But seemingly, my bandana is small. But let me just complete it as I'm showing you the but I think it's fitting. You see, what I am aiming for is this thing that looks like it's folded here. This style. You can choose to place it onto your ears just a little bit, or tuck in all the ears. But then it all depends with how you feel. Happier, I'll be so happier. So the next thing is just make a knot. Remember, we are tucking these ones in, and now we make a knot. But I'm telling you, I feel like my bandana is quite small. So as I'm showing you the next one, I'll just extend it a little bit because of my hairs and all. Bring it on. So continue tucking in. Imagine guys, it's that easy. So happy, yeah. Just give me a like if you watch this point. Ding, 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 ding. And you can also subscribe or comment down below. Talk to me via my socials. Yes. So the next one, I'll be showing you also how you can actually now release your hair if you do not want it held towards the back. But I told you this style, I want to extend the size of my bandana because I feel like I am having too much hair. It feels small, and I should also tighten it a little bit. And I think it looks amazing. I don't know if it's me or what, but you can all agree it actually looks amazing. So let's do what I want to show you, the second way in which you can just do it. Let's first extend the length, increase the length. So you know how to increase, you just make a shorter fold, and then remember how you're placing it onto your head like that, and then you're pulling it towards the front, so close to your eye, not here away, here. Even if it's possible, I don't want to rub my mine I have, but just bring it close. And then the other thing, you'll not have to do all the drama of like this, because we do not want it like, we are not aiming for it to have like the pockets or something on the sides. We just want it to be just like that. Okay, so let's do it. Just pick this side, this tail, and then take it to the back. Take it to the back like that, just like that. Pull, make sure that you pull this tail, like that, and then make your knot and tighten it.
Yeah.
You can just make sure what you have to work with well is this tail, making sure that you've pulled it, absolutely pulled it, like completely, not absolutely, I want this towards the back, and then make that knot tight. And tighter, hold me tighter. And so down. It actually looks gorgeous. I love it. I love the outcome. I am pleased with my work. And I know you're like, what is that? But anyways, I am pleased with my work. So for you who want to like release your hair, it's time to remove oh my goodness, it's time to remove that clip or band, and you can release your hairs, which is not a must, but yeah, now you're free. You see, this is how we roll, this is how we do it. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, make sure that I can see you on my next update. Talk to me in the comment section. I am really happy, and I want to appreciate you guys for the comments that you've been giving me, for the reactions here and there, the honesty. I just love that. It's making me excited. And so with that all said and done, like the video, yeah, comment down below, share us out there. I don't know if I should start doing a shout out in the comment section. Let's just see. So to watch more of my videos and uploads, just click right. Okay, I love this time. Ooh, I love this time. So just click right here to watch more of my uploads. Click right here to watch more of my tutorials, and let's catch up there. I have a lot here.